Hello guys, I put my OSCAL Power Max 3600 portable power station at the next challenge. This is my setup. I have connected PM200 solar panel because it's still sunny outside, otherwise it's not needed. And here you can see quite big machine. It's so very powerful, heavy weighted, around 150 kilograms, and in fact it is powered by three-phase motor, not one phase but three-phase. So question is it possible to power this electric motor, asynchronous motor, just by PowerMax? And the answer is yes, it is, but we need to do something else, something additional, and that's why here I put the frequency controller, which actually transfers single phase to three-phase current. And here you can actually see that the connector is, or the plug is, three-phase. So additionally, because this electric motor has power of 2.2 kilowatts and the starting current is, depending on load, multiplied by 6 to 8 times, so absolutely would be too strong, too powerful for PowerMax. But I found a solution. I will show you how to deal with this. Okay, let me protect myself, and we will have a soft startup. It will take 15 seconds. Can you believe this works, guys? Okay, so the machine is ready. Let's start. So at the moment there is no load. You can see that machine consumes around 800 watts. Last one. So you have seen how it works, and it works. Well, 2 kilowatts is a lot, and of course, if you would like to do this continuously through all the day, we have to bring more power to the power station. So currently my solar panel can generate approximately 200 watts, but if we would need more, we have to connect more powerful solar panels. So OSCAL PowerMax 3600 allows to connect up to 1600 watts of photovoltaic systems. And if you would connect, for example, these 10 panels here, we have more than enough energy to do this job through the entire day, and power station will just compensate the high peaks of energy needed for this electric motor. We can make things really working perfectly fine on the remote or at a remote location where there is no electricity. OSCAL PowerMax 3600, amazing device.